Okay, in this lecture we are going to talk about installation for environment development for iOS system. So we have worked with Mac OS, Android, and I am going to move to iOS system. Installing for iOS system is exactly the same steps how we did previously with Watchman and the other tools, but we need as well to install some application which is called Xcode. Xcode is available on Mac App Store. And when you install it, just make sure that you have the version 10 and newer. So this is the most important information that you have to know. After installation of the Xcode, there is something which is called, like, you have to check the command line tools. So after the installation, I have installed Xcode previously on my operating system. I go to the Xcode and then I click on Preferences. So when you go to Preferences, you will see here like some tabs. One of them is Locations. Just make sure that command line tool is selected, that Xcode based on the version which you installed. So after that, we need to install as well Simulator. Simulator is existing in components. So when you go to components, you need to install some simulator. I am installing now the latest simulator of iOS version for mobile phones of iOS. So I am installing 14.4. Of course, when you see higher version, is better to install it so your application can work with the latest version of iOS systems. So normally these sizes are available here. You need as well to have space on your PC to obey the size of the simulator. After that, we go to the next step after installation, the CacawPods. CacawPods is like Ruby installation and it's available for Mac OS. It's providing us with a lot of libraries for iOS or packages for iOS. You have optional, you can install it. So I'm going as well to install it through this command. I will open my terminal and then I will paste this command here, and then it will ask me for password. I will paste my password as well, and it will install for me something called CacawPods. If you want to know more about it, there is like a link here. You can check it. So you go to CacawPods. There are a lot of packages and libraries for Objective-C projects, so you can have them for like your applications. We will talk about that later when we are going to use these CacawPods in our course. But currently we are going to use React Native components, but it's better to use this. So for more information, you can take a look at this link. You can see getting started with CacawPods. You can as well install it as the instructions which we have here. But currently we don't need it. We will need it later.